This is one industry I've never talked about, so don't miss this video. Okay, if you've been watching this channel for any length of time, you know I've been talking about all these different industries to license your product ideas to. It could be the toy industry, kitchen, hardware, DRTV, fitness. I talk about all these industries, but this is one industry I've never talked about, and you're going to love it. Now, what industry am I talking about? I'm talking about the promotional industry. When I first started out, I was fascinated by these little giveaways these companies would give to their audience, give to their customers. In fact, I was designing these little giveaways for pizza companies. That led me down the road to design rotating cups and canteens because I was in the promotional business. Now, the reason why I'm talking about it today is that one of our close friends licensed an idea to a company in which they've sold, I think, over 300,000 units, but just the other day they sold over 50,000 units in one day. Now, what is the promotional industry? You know, some of it's giveaways, some of it is where companies want to reward their customers, so they give them something that they can take home and they can keep, and it has their name on it. You've seen it before. You go to a trade show and they're handing out pens or pencils or umbrellas or whatever, but it has the company's logo on it, so when you bring it home, you keep remembering the company's name. The promotional industry is so big, but we don't talk a lot about it. The thing that I've realized about the promotional industry, you have to come up with an idea that's not too new. You have to have a little small change on an existing idea so it doesn't require education. So here's one of the first promotional items I created. So from a creative standpoint, what do you have to do? Well, first of all, like I said earlier, don't do something too new. Make a small change on something people use every single day that has the billboard for logos and for advertisement of other companies. And the product I want to show you that's absolutely brilliant, that's selling like hotcakes, is this new keychain that has a little fidget on it. But guess what? There's the billboard for the advertisement. Congratulations, Veronica, on such a great product idea. You're selling tens of thousands. So what's really great about it, you're not selling this at retail, but you're selling it to all these companies and all these different industries that want their brand on products that they can give away or sell to their customers. The one thing I really love about this, you're not selling at retail, you're selling to these large companies that are putting their logos on items that they can give away to their customers. So what type of products are we talking about? We're talking about anything that a company thinks has value they can give to their customer where they can put their logo on. Here are a few promotional items. So the market is big, it's huge, and look at all the different companies out there that need these promotional items to give to their customers to remind them, hey, come back, we've got a great product for you. If for some reason you need help building relationships with companies, please contact us at inventRight. We have a new program called Gateway, where we're going to do all the heavy lifting for you. We're going to reach out to the right people at the right companies to make sure your product is a good fit, and we're going to make sure your marketing material is just spot on. We're going to do all the work for you at our new program called Gateway. So if you need that extra help, please contact us.